Data ignites our world. It is the engine of the future, and data centers are the vessel. Built on endless compute power and performance, they rely on cutting-edge electronics to manage the demands of our digital lives. Unexpected downtime or computational errors are simply not an option. Reliability, accessibility, and serviceability of servers is tougher than ever to maintain. The hyperscale of modern data centers, the surge in AI, and advancements in semiconductor technologies lead to higher rates of sudden hardware failures and silent data corruption. When things go wrong, current methods react only after a fault developed into an error, making failing data center components extremely difficult to trace down. This means expensive downtime and complex recovery steps. Now, prediction is the name of the game, featuring a faster, more accurate, and cost-efficient predictive solution than ever. proteanTecs RTHM introduces real-time, workload, and reliability-aware health monitoring to data centers. It relies on predictive performance indexes and prescriptive actions for avoiding failures. When an issue in the data center is today's needle in a haystack, pinpointing to a developing fault at the individual component level and in zero latency allows precise failure mitigation instead of employing blanket solutions. RTHM turns chips into system sensors with on-chip monitoring agents. Our algorithm-based performance index grades the issue severity based on thresholds, affected areas, power and clock domains, and previous events, among other factors. It prescribes the required mitigation with laser-focused actions. The application features an essential paradigm shift from reactive failure containment through error identification and mitigation to proactive failure avoidance. It tracks performance degradation over time during all real-life scenarios and workloads, covering both the chip and the embedding system resources feeding it. Using RTHM's deep data, site reliability engineers can assess whether a wider issue is developing, analyze the root cause with the data center suppliers, and close the loop at the source of the problem. Data centers employing RTHM avoid failures and their consequences, assuring a holistic RAS solution with visibility from within. proteanTecs RTHM. Predict, prevent, perform. Contact us for a live demo.